How to fix verification code not received. So let's get started. If you're trying to log into your account or you're trying to create an account and you need a verification code, but if you're not able to receive the verification code, here is how you can solve it. First and foremost, make sure that you're connected to a mobile network. If you are not connected to your mobile network, then that may be the issue of not receiving the verification code. And also make sure that your SIM card is properly inserted in your mobile device. Since you will receive the verification code in your mobile number, so you have to make sure that SIM card is inserted properly. And if that's not your case, then what you can do is simply open up the settings in your mobile device, and from here tap on apps. Here tap on see all apps, and here you have to scroll down and look for messages. Then go to messages, and once you land on the app info page of messages, from there tap on storage and cache. Here tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will sometimes remove the error occurring in your application in your mobile device. If you want, you can clear the storage as well. And hit back once and then go ahead and tap on permissions. Here make sure that you have allowed the permission, and if the permission is not allowed to any of the feature, then simply tap on that and then tap on allow while using the application. So once you have made this here, check whether the problem will be solved or not. If this still doesn't fix your problem, then open up the Play Store in your mobile device, and from here tap on messages. Then go to your Google Messages in your device, and if there is an update option, simply update your application. Updating the application will help you to solve the issue. So that's how you can fix the verification code not receiving in your mobile device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.